on. Oh. Woo! Look at that. What is this? Ooh, it is the 2018 Genesis G80 Ultimate demo for sale right now. Ooh, look at that. The windows are coming out. It knows that I'm near. It knows that I want in. Whew. All right. Let's turn this guy on. Sorry, I can only put it onto this side. I can't turn the camera over. Apple. Ooh. Ooh, the steering wheel's coming down. Seats moving closer. The vehicle knows that I'm short. No, it just has memory seating here somewhere. You see it? So this demo has only 13,000 on it. Okay. Hasn't been driven much for 2018. So take a look at this. Beautiful finish. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Very premium, luxury. Can you feel this suede headliner? Yes, you can. Lots of room in the back. Panoramic sunroof. The list goes on. Has everything. So one of the things that this has still remaining with it is the maintenance. So oil changes, anything like that, we got you covered. Valet service, we come to your house when your car needs maintenance, okay? So we're gonna drop you off a Genesis, and while we take your Genesis to give it some more love. So come on in, come see me, Leia here. Oh, I should probably mention, you can get this brand new for $65, or you can get it as a demo at $51. Up to you. Leia here, Murray Hyundai. Ooh, so nice. Okay, bye.